Hi, this is Lock, and for this video I am featuring what I guess is a CCP hitch lock. This is something that you would use to kind of just lock up that hitch on your vehicle, kind of cinch it up and go like that. So, got this at Walmart for I think $7. And this is the one that my daughter refers to as her easy peasy lemon squeezy lock. How she came up with that name is beyond me. But this is one of her favorite locks to pick because she can get it open very easily. And she is, I believe, 8 years old. So, alright, well, I'll use the same way that she does it, using bottom of the keyway tensioning. And she can't use this pick just yet, but she can't use my Sparrows yet, but I'll go ahead and use the Sparrows hook. Don't know exactly what to call it, but it's a Sparrows hook. Alright, so I'll see what it takes to get this guy open. We'll know it's open when this guy goes down and this thing goes out. So, click. Another click. Another click. Another click. Position a little bit. And we're open. Okay. So you can see that core turn. And go ahead and slide it on out. Okay, so we're open there. Go ahead and let the tension off. And we're set there. Alright, so that is this CCP hitch lock picked.